welcome to April's channel. Today we're going to be making slime. And we already made slime, but we are going to make some more. We have the three main ingredients: glue, baking soda, eye solution, and if you want to have some color, you can use food coloring and some glitter. And my mom already put the 100 ml of the glue. Now we are going to do the slime. We're first going to put the glue. Now we are going to use some of the food coloring time. Let me get some of that off. Now time to stir if it's right. Need some more. I guess I'll just stir it maybe with this tip. There. Get all of that color off. Maybe we should do a little bit more. This is fun. Now we're gonna add the glitter. Is that enough? No. This is gonna be fun with that much glitter. Not enough glitter. I love glitter. Let me see the glue. Enough. Time to add the baking soda. Is this enough? Let's see if this is enough. Now to add the eye solution. That's enough. One teaspoon I'm gonna put now. Time to mix it. Oh, nice. It's getting into a ball. I think it's almost ready. Wow, this is so sticky now. I think it's time to get my hands inside here. Time to get ready. Ooh, that's some sticky stuff. This is fun doing this. I wonder if it's even ready. Oh my god, it's so sticky to my finger. It's sticking to everything. Oh my god, I think I need some more. But how am I supposed to cut it? Oh my god, this is too sticky for my hand. Look at my hand. Oh my god, what happened to the slime? Now I finally made it into a slime pinky ball. Wait, let me try. Ooh, this is fun now. Hippie her. I want to do something else in there. I'm gonna make a happy face. With a nose. Thank you for watching today's video. Now, would you subscribe to the channel?